What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor nor expert. I am just some random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. The reason that I started this channel is because a couple years back, I was about $30,000 in debt because of some medical issues, and I had some really good family and friends that were able to push me into the stock market, and that was my key to financial freedom. Now, I'm very grateful for those guys, and I want to be able to pass along some of that same information to you. That way, I can maybe change your lives a little bit for the better, and you can do the same for somebody else. So, lastly, before we get going, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. And consider subscribing to the channel because I do post videos like this every day, and I would love to help you out and have you join us in this community. We just recently broke 200, and that makes me feel real good. So I'm thankful for every single one of you. With that being said, today we're going to give an update on ticker symbol VERU, VERU Incorporated. Now, here I have a 10-day chart pulled up, and I want to look at the overall arching trend. Now, if we go back here, you can see when VERU went on the Kramer Tonight Show. And just for those who are new to the video and haven't seen me put out a VERU video yet, this is a pharmaceutical company who is offering alternate treatment methods to cancer, specifically prostate and breast cancer. And the way that this treatment works is right now they're on a phase 2 drug, and it's a pill alternate to chemotherapy. So the side effects are very minimal. If anything, it's much less harsh on the body. So obviously you can see where I'm going with this. This is a huge deal. And on this little spike right here, they went on the Kramer Tonight Show and announced their phase 2 drug results. They talked about whether or not there was going to be a reverse stock split, which is basically share dilution. Shareholders don't want that. And the CEO said, no, our cash situation is looking pretty good. Our financials are awesome, and right now we're working on a phase 3 of the drug. So that is what we're expecting right now. This is a pharmaceutical company, so you do need to keep in mind that even though he said that their financial situation is good, it is obviously not going to be the same as a different company. So you are going to be looking for news catalyst on this stock, and the fact that we saw a green day yesterday off of no news catalyst is very promising to me. But anyways, let's look at the last 10 days of trend here. You can see that we were sitting up all the way at $12.19, and we have seen a low of about $8.52, and right now we are sitting above $9, and in the after hours market it looks like we're even higher than that. So I mean, overall over the last 10 days, if you start off here, we are a little bearish. This is an overall bearish trend. However, if you look at the last 5 days, it's much less bearish than it used to be. So we started off at 927, closed off at 912. So that's almost neutral. I'd call that consolidation. However, we did have a green day yesterday. We were up about 4%, which is awesome. We spent basically the entire day above the volume moving average. I'm going to change this to a 5-minute chart so that we can see some patterns here. And that's pretty huge. I mean, the volume looks really good here. It stayed consistent throughout the entire day, which you definitely love to see. It's staying consistent with the rest of the patterns that we have here. We did see a lot more volume when we went on the Kramer Tonight Show, which is to be expected. So the hype has died down a little bit. That is a little concerning because you don't see as much volatility with stocks like this without the volume. But this company does have a solid situation, and from what we're hearing, their financial situation is really good. And I do expect this stock to go up pretty decently high. You're going to have a longer time horizon with VERU. You might be looking at 3 to 6 to 12 months to hit that $12 to $19 that analysts are giving us, but that is going to happen. I'm willing to bet you my portfolio. There's just way too many good things going on here. You can't tell me. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen what happened with GLSI, right? That stock went up to over $100, and I think before it was less than $5. And similar situation, you know, it was a pharmaceutical company from my understanding. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they released some great news in press and it just shot up. And the same thing can happen here with VERU, and I really love what they're doing right now. So if they get a successful phase 3 drug out on alternate cancer methods, you are going to be looking at an absolute filthy return on this thing. So let's draw up some support and resistance that we know what we're working with on the trading day today. Now, what you're looking for when you're establishing support is a level that is rejected 1, 2, 3 times or so, and we see that right here. So you can call this a very solid level of support, $8.72, and we do have a fallback support level, and that is going to be right about here. $8.85, and the reason that I'm moving it up a little bit is because it touches these candlesticks, and if we can get it to touch multiple candlesticks, it is a stronger line of support. So I do like that $8.85 quite a bit. This seems like a pretty solid level of support. So keep these numbers in the back of your mind if you want to write them down. That way you know what to expect. If we do dip below $8.85, we do have a secondary support level here at $8.72. And the price rejection on this one is a lot stronger. We do have a double up, which is a, actually this is a triple up. So that's a very strong sign of a support level. So that is a good one to keep in the back of your mind. Now, resistance is going to be very easy to see here. We have resistance sitting right here at $9.15, and that's a pretty strong price rejection. However, in the after hours market, we closed off at $9.06, so that's a 9-second gap. 9-second gap. Man, what is going on? I need some more coffee. That is a 9-cent gap, which is not much to make up, especially for a penny stock. Now, if you look at the 5-day chart here, once we break through this 915, which also seems to be a level of resistance throughout and also an acting level of support. So you can see here, this is a very important number. If we can break above 915 and hold above 915, that's going to be the key. Holding above 915, there's a lot of upside here. You're going to be looking at trading between, I think, $9.15 and all the way up to $9.40, essentially, maybe even higher than that. I'd argue $9.47. So that would be a huge step in the right direction if we can hold above $9.15, hold that price valuation, because the next step from there is going to be a resistance level right around here at $9.33, and then again at about $9.45. So keep those numbers in the back of your mind. $9.15 as a primary resistance level to hold above for the day today. If we close above $9.15, that's a great day for VERU. That's a great step in the direction towards meeting our $12 price target on VERU. And then $9.44 secondarily. And all it'll take for this to hit that price target is to get over $9.15 and see a little bit of volume, because volume drives volatility and volatility drives higher price valuation. That is what I have for VERU today, guys. If I read any news coming out on this company regarding their phase 3 drug results or research or public relations, any sort of news or catalyst, I will share it with you. You can expect it in all my VERU updates, and I just want to keep you guys all as well informed as I possibly can. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If not, a dislike. Either way, I appreciate your support. Consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this. I do post daily videos multiple times a day, and I would really love to have you be a part of the Trey's Trades community. Thank you guys, and I will see you all next time. Peace.